Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add llm.txt to Shopify. Alright, so let's begin. We'll upload the file first and then create a redirect so visitors can access it through a clean root URL. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're using an account with permission to manage store content. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the left sidebar and open Content, then select Files. This section stores uploaded assets like images and documents. Click Upload Files and choose the text file containing your LLM instructions or directives. The file name itself doesn't matter much because Shopify will generate a public file link for it automatically. After the upload is complete, locate the file in the list and copy its public URL using the link icon. Keep that copied link ready because we'll use it in the next step. Now we need to create a clean root path for the file. Stay under Content and open menus. From there, navigate to URL redirects. This area allows you to create redirects from one URL path to another, making it perfect for serving your LLM file without editing theme files or code. Click Create URL Redirect. In the redirect from field, enter exactly llm.txt, including the / and use lowercase formatting. In the redirect to field, paste the Shopify file URL you copied earlier. Double check the link to ensure there are no spaces or missing characters, then click Save. Once the redirect is active, open a new browser tab and test it by typing your storefront domain followed by llm.txt, including the /. Make sure you're testing on your live store URL rather than the admin dashboard address. If everything was configured correctly, your file content should appear or download automatically depending on your browser settings. If it doesn't load immediately, try refreshing the page, opening an incognito window, or clearing your browser cache, and that's it. This is how you can add llm.txt to Shopify. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.